Papa, what's the matter here? I'm waiting, son, waiting on Roosevelt. I'm waiting on Roosevelt. The rent was due and the lights was out. I said, tell me, Mama, what's it all about? We're waiting, son, waiting on Roosevelt. Just waiting on Roosevelt. My sister got sick and the doctor wouldn't come because we could not pay him the proper sum. Awaiting, waiting on Roosevelt. We're waiting on Roosevelt. Then one day they put us out of the house. Ma and Pa was meek as a mouse, still waiting, waiting on Roosevelt. Still waiting on Roosevelt. Felt those cold winds blow, didn't have no place to go. I said, I'm tired of waiting on Roosevelt. I can't get a job, I can't get no grub. Backbone and navel's doing the belly rub. I'm tired of waiting on Roosevelt. Tired of waiting on Roosevelt. What's hungry and cold done stop believing what they've been told by Roosevelt. Roosevelt. 'Cause the pot's still empty and the cupboard's still